My team, can you hear me, my friends? आप सबको मेरा voice clear आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So basically, the playlist has been created first. I will show you how the playlist are creating. Now, this is your playlist. Can you see that channel list square, my team? These are the playlists.
Yes, sir.
You need to go on the playlist, and in a playlist, you have seen because your exam pattern, TEF, Expression Oral Section A playlist. So there is a symmetry basically day one, day two, how to uh, practice with this journey of TEF Expression Oral Section A. Then TEF Expression Oral Section B. My team, you need to watch, you need to go how people do practice. You need to go in the on that playlist and you need to practice for that. Clear? If you really want to start with this very basic, clear. So now there is a French TEF 7 a.m. batch. Clear? 7 a.m. So there are 10 videos we have. Clear? French Tap 7 a.m. So you can practice with this content, my friends. Is it clear to you? So now today is a program wherein obviously we start from TEF section A. 1 second. On my batch mein hum है ना? So what is TEF section A? TEF section A. Now repeat after me. What expressions we will use in TEF section A? What expression we will use in TEF section A? Is it clear to you, my friends? Clear?
Wait.
Let me take you to my notepad. Can you see my notepad?
Yes, sir, it's here.
Section A. Clear? Now, repete après moi. You need to speak. Tu dois souligner les choses. Souligner. C'est clair. Tu dois, tu dois souligner.
Tu dois souligner.
Tu dois dégager.
Tu
Dégager,
dois dégager.
dégager, c'est autre part, my friends. Dégager is to clarify. C'est clair. Dégager. Répétez après moi. Dégager, souligner. Souligner is to highlight, my friends. C'est clair. What is souligner? Souligner is to highlight and dégager is to, we say, clarify. One should be clarified with the content. Répétez après moi and you do repeat after me. Tu dois dégager.
Tu dois dégager.
Tu dois,
Tu dois
tu dois dégager. Tu dois
Dégager.
dégager.
souligner. Say what's called souligner is to highlight. Dégager is to clarify. I'm saying you need to express. Tu dois
Tu dois
exprimer. What is exprimer? Exprimer is to express, my friends. Now today, aujourd'hui, repeat after me. Aujourd'hui, speak after me. Aujourd'hui, c'est clair. Aujourd'hui, c'est what's quoi?
Aujourd'hui.
Aujourd'hui is today.
today.
Aujourd'hui is today.
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 Aujourd'hui, today. Aujourd'hui. Now, what is aujourd'hui? C'est what's quoi? Today. Today, you need to express your point of view. Répétez après moi. Aujourd'hui, tu dois,
Aujourd'hui.
tu dois.
Tu
The
dois.
verb. You know, everyone is aware of the verb. Tell me. What is the verb? Ocean, tell me. Je dois. What is the
Je
verb?
dois.
The
Je
word is to
dois.
must. The word is to must, my friends. Is to should.
Mhm.
Tu must.
Je dois.
Je
Tu
dois.
dois. Il, elle doit. Nous devons.
Nous devons.
Vous
Vous
devez.
devez. Il,
Il,
elle.
elle doit. So basically, I'm saying, Ocean, can you speak up the word, please?
Je dois. Tu
Mhm,
dois.
mhm,
Elle doit.
mhm.
Nous devons.
Nous
Vous
devons.
devez.
Mhm.
Elles doivent.
Il, elle doivent. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. So, je dois, tu dois, elle doit, nous devons, vous devez, elles doivent. C'est clair. Okay. Now, par exemple, if you say, I want to express, I must express, make a sentence, I must express my point of view. Je dois exprimer. What is exprimer? Tell me. I want to express.
To
Je dois
express
experiment.
mon point de vue. My point of view. I'm saying je dois exprimer. What is my point of view? Tell me. Tell me my
point.
mon point. Can you see my notepad?
yes
नोटपैड दिख
sir
रहा है टीम आपको क्लियर दिख रहा है नोटपैड
yes sir
je mon point de view. What is mon point de view? Tell me. My point
my
of
point of view
view. Claire.
Mon
Mon
oui
point de vue. I will give you the content because you need to express. Je dois exprimer mon point de vue. Répétez après moi. Je dois
je
exprimer.
Experiment
exprimer
mon
point
point
de
mon
vue.
point
Exprimer.
de
Now,
vue
what is
De
step section A? In your text section A, what is the opening of text section A? The opening of text section A is this. Hello, sir. I'm calling about the now, for example, there's a topic of beach stay. You know what is text section A? You will get a topic. For example, there's a advertisement going on for tour packages, and you need to ask some question. Okay, the kind of hotel you are having, and what is the tariff for this, right? Maybe you can ask what is the duration of this stay, right? So basically there is a the topic is the beach stay, and I read the advertisement in the store, maybe on my street there's a shopping mall, and I've seen the advertisement. There is a tour packages program going on in Canada. There's a Singapore tour packages program going on, okay, and you're very much interested for that, and they are still um, I will ask, these places are still available, so how to go for an opening, because there would be a if there would be a telephonic conversation, so what you will say, tell me. Bonjour monsieur, répétez après moi.
bonjour monsieur
Je vous appelle appeler. What is appeler? Tell me. Appeler is to call. Tell me, my friend, what is appeler? Appel.
to call
Appeler is to call. Is it clear to you, my friends? Tell me yes or no. Tell me.
Yes.
Je vous appelle. Répétez après moi, my team. Repeat after me.
je vous appelle.
Je
Je
vous,
vous appelle.
je vous appelle. Répétez après moi. Je vous appelle. I call you. Je vous.
je vous
Whenever,
appelle
yes. Why je vous appelle? Because whenever you have two subjects in one line, I call you. I call you. I call you. It means whenever you have two subjects in one line, in English we have I call you, right? But in French, my friends, we need to combine the subjects together. मैं आपको फोन करता हूँ, तो मैं je आपको
Je
vous.
vous
Okay,
appelle.
je vous
Je vous
appelle concernant. This is your opening of text section A. Concernant.
Je
Concernant, c'est
vous appelle.
quoi? About. I'm calling you about. Je vous appelle concernant. C'est clair. I'm calling you. What I'm saying. Je vous appelle concernant le séjour. What is séjour? Séjour is your stay. जब आप whenever you are traveling and you stay in hotel, you stay in some of the hostels, this stay we call as séjour. Répétez après moi. Séjour. What is séjour? Watching.
séjour when we
Séjour.
stay at a hotel
Yes. So you are take séjour is your taste, your goût. Goût c'est quoi? Your taste, goût. Répétez après moi. Let me write it down. It's goût. Répétez après moi. Goût. Repeat after me.
goût
Goût c'est quoi? Your taste. C'est clair. C'est clair. Why? Okay.
Oui.
Now, par exemple, bonjour, monsieur, je vous appelle concernant, I'm calling you about le séjour à la plage. What is plage? Plage is your beach. What is plage? Tell me.
Plage.
À
Beach.
la plage. C'est clair.
La
Beach.
plage.
Beach.
Je vous appelle, répétez après moi. Je vous
Je
appelle
vous appelle
concernant, I'm calling you. Je vous appelle, I'm calling you, my friend. मैं कह रहा हूँ, I'm calling you. I have seen, I saw an announcement in the newspaper, in the shop store. There's a program going on for séjour à la plage. Stay at the beach. Séjour, séjour à la
Séjour
plage. So
à
stay
la
at the
plage.
beach.
à la plage.
So what are you saying? These are opening. Je vous appelle. I'm calling you. Je vous appelle. Concernant. Concernant, c'est quoi?
Je vous
About.
appelle
About.
concernant
Répétez après moi. Le séjour à la plage. À la plage, the stay at the beach. Et j'ai lu. What is
séjour.
j'ai lu? Tell me, Oshin. What is j'ai lu? You know what, Oshin?
I
I read. We have verb lead. Lead
Lire,
is to read.
read.
What is the past tense of lead? The paper of lead is live.
Do,
The paper of lead is, tell me.
do,
Lu.
do.
So in order to make past, Ocean, we need to use either our verb, either
Alulu.
H verb. Tell me, Ocean.
Yes, sir. You
So
told it.
it's jelu. Répétez après moi. I
Jelly.
read, it's jelu. Say Claire, I
Gelu.
read. Because okay, tell me the conjugation of lead verb in terms of present tense. Présent, c'est autre quoi? Je lis,
Jelly.
I
Jelly.
read. Tu lis, you
Tu lis.
practice
You
with the
read.
content.
Elle,
Elle lit,
elle lit.
nous
Nous
lisons.
lisons.
C'est clair.
Nous lisons. Vous lisez.
Vous lisez,
Elle lise.
elle lit. Je lis, tu lis.
Je lis, tu
Elle
lis.
Elle lit,
Il
elle
est
lit.
lui.
nous lisons.
Nous
Nous lisons.
lisons.
Vous lisez.
Vous
Vous
lisez.
Elle lise.
C'est clair. Is it clear to you, my friend? So I'm saying I read. Lead past is what? Liu.
You,
Lead past is what? Tell me, my friends. Liu.
you,
I
Lu.
read. J'ai lu. C'est clair. J'ai
Oui.
lu.
je,
C'est clair.
je,
I read.
J'ai lu.
Yes, what I'm saying. Bonjour, bonjour. Je vous appelle. I'm calling you concernant regarding le séjour à la plage, the stay at the beach. C'est clair. Why? So can you speak up, my friend? Take my voice and speak up one by one. We start from Abhi. Abhi, can you speak up, please?
je vous appelle concernant les séjours à la plage.
Yes, j'ai lu l'annonce. I read the announcement. J'ai lu. What is j'ai lu, my friends? Tell me. I read the
I
announcement.
read.
Jelly.
So, le magasin, okay. Magasin is what? Tell me. Your
Magazine.
magasin is your street shop.
Okay.
Magasin is your shop. C'est clair. Magasin. What is magasin? Your shop.
Shop.
C'est clair. Magasin, c'est clair. Why? Magasin de ma rue. The shop of my street. Rue is what? Your street. Now, for example, you have in your area
On
there's a
my
street
street.
shop. In your area there's a street shop, and you have seen there's a poster pasting there about the announcement, about the advertisement for séjour à la plage. J'ai lu l'annonce sur le magasin de ma rue, of my street. De ma rue, of my street. Say Claire. Why? Tell me yes and no. What is zoo? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Street. Say Claire.
Street.
Okay. Now,
Oui.
and I'm saying, and I am very interested. Je suis très intéressé. Et je suis très intéressé. Répétez après moi. I am very much interested. Je suis très intéressé.
Et je suis très intéressé.
Intéressé. Because S and I will combine. Je suis
Okay.
très intéressé. C'est clair?
Yes, we
Oui.
present Terrace.
We have Ilya. What is
Je
Ilya?
suis, je
Ilya
suis,
is
There
there
is,
je
is
there
suis
are.
and
très,
there
Talent.
are.
je suis très,
Whenever we have question, is there? There is, there are is Ilya. If I will apply
yeah,
question, is there, are there, I will use the term yatil. Repeat
Yatin.
after me.
Yatil.
Yatil.
yatin,
Yatil.
Ilya. Yes. What is Ilya?
yata,
Tell me. What is
yasit,
There
Ilya?
is,
deli,
there are.
There is and there are. If I'm asking a question, is there, is there,
Yatin.
yatil, yatil,
Yatil.
répétez après moi. Yatil, what is
Yatil
yatil? Tell me. Yatil
is there.
Is there.
is there, are there. Say Claire, my king. Yatil.
Oui.
What is yatil? Tell me. Yatil.
Is there, are
there,
there.
there,
Yes, yatil. Say Claire, my king. Yatil, what is talking about? Yatil de place disponible. Yatil, répétez après moi, my team. Yatil de
yata,
place, are there the place available? Place, place disponible. Disponible, c'est what's pas available. What is disponible? Tell me.
Available.
Available. So what is disponible? Yatil de place disponible. Répétez après moi. Yatil de place,
Yatil.
de
Depla.
place disponible. Now this is your opening of,
Disponible.
yes.
yes,
This is opening of test section A. I'm calling you. Je vous appelle concernant. I'm calling you concerned about concernant. So can you speak aloud, my friend? Je vous appelle concernant.
Je vous
Je vous
appelle
appelle
concernant
concernant
Sur le
j'avoue,
séjour à la plage. Répétez après moi.
le
Sur le
séjour
le
séjour
à la
à la
séjour à
plage.
la plage.
J'ai lu l'annonce
J'ai
Jésus,
lu
Lulando.
l'annonce
sur le magasin.
sur le
Lula
magasin
Magazine.
de ma rue
Tomorrow.
Et je suis très intéressé.
et
je
je
suis,
suis
The sweet present.
très intéressée.
Y a-t-il encore des places disponibles?
Y a-t-il
Yatel
encore des
encore
places
the plus
disponibles?
disponible.
What is encore?
disponible,
Encore is still, encore. What is encore, my friend? Encore
still,
is
Still,
still.
still,
Y a-t-il des places encore disponibles, my friends? Is it clear to you? Tell me yes. Say clear.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, for example, I'm giving you one more opening. There are a lot of openings we have basically. Clear? Now, for example, I'll say, I have just fallen down with an announcement. Now, my friends, what is, try to understand the content of recent past activities. My friend, recent past
active,
activities. I'm saying I have just went through with your advertisement. I have just went through with your. I have just gone through the advertisement. I have just gone through. Gone. I have just. One is I read. You're not sure you read maybe 2 days before, 3 days before. But you're saying I have just gone through. मैंने अभी अभी एक announcement पढ़ा. I have just gone through. In that case, a recent past activities, I have just repassed my recent past. We have to use one year verb. We have to use one year conjugation. Yes. Plus, that's a rule.
the plus,
The plus full verb. Now, for example, I'm saying I have just went through, I have just fallen down. I have just fallen down with the announcement. Of- that's we use the sense. I have just fallen down. Tombe is a vocab to fell down. Tombe, c'est clair.
Bien.
So, venir conjugate, see, I'm saying for recent past activities, I use venir conjugation, je viens. Okay? I'm using venir conjugation, je viens. You know what is venir conjugation, Oshin?
No, sir.
Huh?
I didn't.
Je viens, tu
Bien.
viens,
Bien.
elle vient, nous
Nous
venons,
Elle vient, nous
venons.
venons, vous venez,
vous
il, elle
venez,
venait, viennent.
Bien.
elles viennent.
Bien.
Nous
Je
venons, nous venez.
viens. Repeat please. Venir verb conjugation. Speak up. Venir present tense.
Tu viens.
Venir is a vocab.
Elle vient. Nous venons. Vous venez. Il vient.
Je venais, tu venais,
Na 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 na. Je viens.
Vous
je
venez.
viens,
Vous viens.
Tu
Il,
viens.
elle vient.
tu viens,
Elle vient.
elle
Nous
vient,
Nous venons.
venons.
nous venons,
Vous
Vous
venez.
venez.
vous venez,
Il,
Elle
elle vient.
viennent.
Bien.
Repeat after me. Venir verb conjugation. Je viens.
Je viens,
Tu viens.
tu viens,
Elle vient.
elle vient,
Nous venons.
nous venons,
Vous venez.
vous venez,
Elle viennent.
elle viennent.
C'est clair. Clear? So, what is
Yeah.
venir verb? Tell me. Je viens, tu viens, elle vient, on, venez, elle viennent. So, speak, बोलिए please. बोलिए इसको please. फटाफट.
Je viens, tu viens, elle vient,
Nous venons.
nous
Nous
venons,
venons,
vous
vous
venez,
venez,
elle
vous
vient.
venez.
Elle
Elle
viennent.
venait.
Bien.
Bien.
C'est clair.
Clair.
Now, अब आप जब recent past activities को use करते हैं, the moment you use recent past activities, it is very important that you understand the concept. Recent past activities में that's a rule. You need to use one-year conjugation. You need to use one-year
The.
conjugation. Literally one-year conjugation. Recent past में plus the और जो आपका जो मेन एक्शन वर्ब है दैट योर मेन एक्शन वर्ब इट वुड बी फुल वर्ब infinitive. For example, I'm saying I have just fallen down, okay, on your engagement. So I will say je viens.
Je viens,
Oui, tomber.
The because the that's a rule. Vanir plus the plus full verb. Tomber is to fall down. Je viens de tomber sur l'annonce dans le journal. What is je viens de tomber sur l'annonce dans le journal? What is that? Tell me.
I just fell,
I have just fallen
I,
down sur l'annonce upon the announcement in the newspaper dans le journal. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Sur
yes sir.
l'annonce. C'est clair. Je viens de tomber sur l'annonce dans le journal. C'est clair. Répétez après moi. Je viens de tomber. Répétez après moi, my friends. Repeat after me.
Je viens
Je viens
Je
de
viens
de
de
tomber
tomber sur
sur
l'annonce
l'annonce
sur la
dans
dans le
le
journal.
journal. C'est clair.
dans la journal.
Is it clear to you, my friends?
Yes sir.
Then, my friend, very important to understand. 1 second, please. Je viens de tomber sur l'annonce dans le journal in the newspaper. If I will say after reading the newspaper, yeah, after reading the announcement, after reading, how to use these type of senses after reading, after speaking. There is a sense. What is after? Après.
Après.
E we have grave. A. What is after, my friends? Tell me.
Après.
Après.
After is après. C'est clair. What is après? Après. Oh, after reading, you say after learning, after meeting with you, after talking to you, I feel very good. After blah blah blah. There's a sense. You need to use avoir full verb. Après avoir lu. Après avoir lu. It means avoir full verb and pepe of the verb, the past tense of the verb. Après avoir lu. It means after reading. Après avoir lu. If I say after speaking to you. Après
Parler.
avoir parlé. Pepe. E-aigu. Parler. C'est clair. E-aigu, my friend. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no. Oshin.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Après avoir parlé. E-aigu. I don't have aigu as of now. E-aigu. A wala symbol. After reading the announcement. Après avoir lu l'annonce. Après avoir lu l'annonce. C'est clair. C'est clair. After reading, après avoir, répétez après moi, lu l'annonce. After reading the announcement,
Après avoir
lu
lu l'annonce.
l'annonce.
Lu
C'est clair.
l'annonce.
C'est clair. Je suis très intéressé. Je suis très. E, we have graph, a symbol. Je suis très intéressé. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. So, I was, after reading the announcement, I was very much interested. Pen down, please. And so, I was, I'm saying, is that you can say je me suis intéressé. Okay, you can say je suis très intéressé. I will explain to you. You can say j'étais très intéressé. Say je suis très intéressé. Après avoir lu l'annonce, je suis très intéressé. And pour cette raison, for this reason, pour cette raison, for this reason, pour cette raison. What is for? Set is what? This.
This.
Raison,
This
what? Tell me.
reason.
For this reason. Raison.
C'est clair? Pour cette raison, is it clear to you, my team? Pour cette raison, c'est clair? Je veux. Pour cette raison, for this reason, I want to ask. Je veux poser quelques questions. I want to ask some questions. Je veux poser quelques questions. For this reason, I want to ask some questions. Say, Claire, my team. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Je veux poser, I want to ask some questions. Say, Claire. Now, basically, this is your opening. There are a lot of openings, my friend, for TEF section A. We need to understand the opening because you need to ask questions. Say, Claire. Is it clear to you? Now, il est très important qu'on suit. Now, we have verb suivre. Pen down, please. Suivre is your verb to follow. Pen down, please. Suivre. Let me. Can you see that notepad? Suivre is your verb to follow. Suivre. Say Claire. We say one must obey the rules and regulation. Suivre is to follow, my friends. So I say you vous suivez. What is vous suivez? Tell me. You follow.
You follow.
Vous suivez la règle. Vous suivez. You follow. You follow me. Vous me suivez. You follow me. Vous me suivez. Either I will say you follow the rules. Vous suivez les règles. Règles, c'est what's quoi? Rules. This E we have graph. Règle. This E we have graph. Vous suivez les règles. You follow the rules for TEF section A. Is it clear to you, my friends? So,
Yes.
what is TEF section A opening? Tell me, my friends. What is TEF section A opening? Tell me. That you are presenting with an advertisement or information. Pen down, please. You need to understand what is TEF section A. That you are presenting, my friends, with an advertisement or information, brochures, and asked to engage in a conversation with the examiner. You're seeking clarification. Now, for example, you want to learn French. So you have seen the advertisement, or you ask what is the fee structure, the duration of the class, right? So that you are present. C'est votre questionnaire. On doit poser les questions. But obviously, we have opening for that. This part of oral expression test evaluates your ability to hold a formal conversation. It is a formal conversation and ask question to gain more information. So you need to ask question, my friends. You need to ask 10 questions. Say Claire. Is it clear to
Wait,
you?
sir, I have a question.
Mhm.
So we will be giving the advertisement as a question, or they'll write a question like you have given in the written part as a question, or
No, not
it will
written,
just
these are
they will
oral.
just give us the
No, no, no. Now, for example, there's a topic. Cours d'équitation. Cours d'équitation. Équitation. Équitation, c'est quoi? Horse riding. Cours d'équitation. The class of horse riding. The riding, riding. The class of horse riding. So you need to ask question. What is the duration of this course? What is the fee structure? Say Claire. So you need to ask question, but
Okay.
before that, you need to give them an opening. J'ai vu l'annonce dans le journal et je suis très intéressé. Pour cette raison, je vais poser quelques questions. S'il vous plaît, me répondez. Whatever opening I will explain to you, you need to
Mhm.
just go and you just speak the opening in front of the examiner, because in your test section A, we have an opening. Say Claire. So it is very
Okay.
easy to crack TEF examination because we know what you have to speak to this thing, what I have to speak in front of the examiner. Opening in terms of question, you need to say like that, sir, I read the advertisement and I want to ask some questions. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? There are a lot of opening for TEF section A. Is it clear
Yes,
to
sir.
you? Tell me yes and no.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Clear? Because TEF section A, you need to obtain. What is obtain? Obtenir. What is obtenir? You need to understand the verbs. Obtenir is to get. Obtenir. Obtenir is to get. Okay. Now, what is the conjugation of obtenir verb in terms of present tense? J'obtiens. Because venir, venir, V-I-E-N-S, we say. So, j'obtiens. I want to get some information. J'obtiens. I want to get. I get. J'obtiens. I want to get. Je vais obtenir. Des renseignements. Renseignements, c'est quoi? Information. Je vais obtenir. I want to get some information. Renseignement. Renseignement, c'est autre quoi? Tell me. Information. C'est clair. Renseignement. Information. What is renseignement? Tell me. Information.
Information.
Je vais obtenir des renseignements. I want to get some information. C'est clair.